All right, Kelsey, so what do you think makes a great slider?
I think it's a few things, but the main parts are the bread, sweet, somewhat soft bun, and ideally with that butter crunch on the inside of it. And then the meat, even if it's the vegetable, if you're doing veggies instead of the meat, they have to be cooked perfectly and seasoned perfectly. Good acid balance and salt. And then sauce and condiments are always kind of the cherry on top of a slider, so a really unique, very rich sauce. Even if you're just doing ranch or something very simple, just make sure it's packing a punch with flavor. And then an always added bonus to me is having something like a pickle or a crunch on there, just to add one more little element. And yeah, there's a lot of great sliders, but I think all those things combined really make it over the top.
Awesome. And for people that are cooking for the first time this summer, right, beginning chefs in their backyard cooking for friends or family, what advice would you give them?
Oh God, just don't be scared. Have so much fun with it. That's the biggest thing with cooking is it should be passionate and come from your heart. So surround yourself with people you love. Have some friends over, ask them to help you, and just learn and really enjoy it. That's really the beauty of cooking is it's supposed to be fun.
Thanks, Kelsey.
Yeah.